Hello everyone. The society today has become more and more complex, more and more sensitive. With a lot of emphasis on all the spheres, including gender diversity, today we see more and more women coming out of their houses and engaging themselves in employment. In other words, I would say they leave their homes and chase their dreams. With more and more women at workplace, the harassment of women at workplace has become a matter of attention or has drawn the attention of not only the lawmakers but also all well-meaning employers as well. Based on the Supreme Court dictate, the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Prevention, Prohibition, Redressal Act of 2013 was enacted. Any violation of provisions of this act is viewed very seriously by the courts. The ICC is there, which is mandated by the POSH Act, which is also called as Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace Act. The ICC is there. It should consist of a senior level women member as a presiding officer. There should be another member and also an external member, with majority of them being women. At the first instance, the ICC was just a body which determined or tried to find out a prima facie case as to whether there existed a complaint of harassment or not. But later, the ICC became a body which is more complex. It became more complex in the sense the Supreme Court expected a full-fledged inquiry out of the ICC. But today, the trend is slightly reversed. The Supreme Court in a recent judgment has very clearly stated that disciplinary procedure prescribed under the service rules or standing orders of every company have to be complied with, even if the ICC holds an employee guilty of sexual harassment at workplace. This, in my opinion, is a retrograde step. I'm sure in a short time to come, the Supreme Court will undo the requirement and restore the law to what it was before the judgment. However, as of now, what the employer is required to do is, even after the ICC holds that an employee is guilty of sexual harassment at workplace, the management should issue another show cause notice and complete the entire disciplinary procedure in accordance with the standing orders or the service rules before initiating or before imposing any sort of punishment. Thank you.